Hi, Gary. I think you've done some great work here, particularly with your first grouping of the set of one grouping visually dominant over the other, and I think that works fantastically well. I really like the motion that you have established in the second one here. Down at the bottom, the equality one, I think, is also working quite well. The two, though, with the single elements being the most dominant things on the page, I'm not convinced by. While this arrow is leading our eye to the single element, as far as visual dominance goes, I would suggest that the one taking up the vast majority of the space, including and controlling all the negative space, is the dominant grouping on the page, and that would be that arrow is controlling 90% of the page here, and it's pushing our eye to that single element, but it's the one doing all the work, and it's the one getting all the attention. The one with the dot in the center, I would say, is a good idea, but remember, one of the ways that we perceive visual dominance is by the amount of negative space around an object, and you're cutting off quite a lot of the negative space here. So if you want that single element in the middle to be visually dominant, you have to give it a little bit more breathing room. So maybe pushing that second ring out further would do it. So if you could give those two, play around with them, see what you come up with. I think all the other ones are right on, but the two in the middle could use a little help to establish the single element as the dominant element on the page. Okay.